Hi, I'm Tim Zacharias with your Cougar USA Tip of the Week.
This week, we will show you how to select the lead pump on the Cougar System's Elite Sump Pump control panel. From the main screen, tap Settings and then Lead Pump. The lead pump options are Auto, Pump 1, or Pump 2. For normal system operation, we recommend the Auto setting. When in Auto, the system will alternate the lead pump after each pump down sequence. If you need to designate a pump as the lead, tap Pump 1 or Pump 2. This can be used when a pump is down for service or if the system has a jockey pump. Once you've made the selection, tap Back and then Main Screen to return to the main screen.